So there's no damage to the farmland. Oh!
Come on.
Oh, I heard that one. That was like a laser. The hail continues to get bigger on us here. It's not moving very fast. There's the updraft. There's the mesocyclone of the storm. You can see it right there. So that is actually spinning. Oh, did you hear how loud that was? So that is the rotation. So we're right on the edge of the updraft and the rotation. There is no raindrops at all falling. It's just big hail. That's all we're getting is just big hail. And we are just right in it. Like you can just hear them thumping out there in the field. Just thunk, thunk. Yeah, ouch is right. Rachel said we're having too much fun. We are having a little bit of fun. It's nice when it's in this rural area and it's not affecting anybody, so we can enjoy. There's oh, golly, did y'all see that? That was close. Woo. That almost hit me. They're starting to lift a little north. I kind of want to like run out and grab a couple before we. Tornado warning just north of Euless. That's got to be that. Whoa, did you hear that one?
I did.
Did y'all hear that? It's like, you hear the laser sound with it. Oh, they're getting big. I'll put my hand in just in case. Can y'all hear them? They're getting big. Something jumped up and bit me. Thanks, Zach. It's a good one. It's a really pretty storm. I don't know if Michael Armstrong is probably I bet he's to my south. He was to my south. I bet he's got a really good view of just how pretty this storm is. Of it because it's a very impressive thunderstorm. You can see the bell shape to it, so it looks like it's got kind of a pie or a bell shape to it now. I wouldn't be shocked if the base of this starts lowering down some. The structure has just gotten so impressive, and you can see that right over the telephone poles basically on the road there. That little bit of lowering, I don't know if that's I'm sure it's rotating a little bit. It's really high based, but that is some rotation, and we'll have to watch that because this storm is getting some very impressive structure to it right now. It tells me that it's lacking moisture, which is allowing us to see it. That's what's keeping it. It doesn't have a lot of rain wrapping around it, so it's keeping it very pretty. It's keeping the tornado threat very low. I think our road is coming up. Was that Santana that we just went through?
No, we still got like a few miles till Santana.
That's Sublette? Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. So when we get to Santana, like, there's a road that goes north. It's, I'll tell you what the name of it is. Like I said earlier, we're power hour now, so wind shear and stability are we have some pretty serious conditions here. We need a tornado on this one. I don't think it's gonna like produce a long-lived tornado, but at least I don't think so. But it is strengthening quickly. It's gonna try to make a tornado.
Sure, yeah, we can do that.
Looks like it's starting to tighten up.
That's for sure.
Yeah, the whole bottom part of this thing's tightening up.
See the individual like tubes in there?
I know.
Around the main.
Yeah, look at this, like this back edge right here. I'll start to tighten up.
Look at that. Oh. Oh.
Oh yeah.
That was a neat one. Oh. Went right through the dune.
Person gone. Did they turn on?
Yeah, they must have. You're good still. They lose the windshield here. We get baseballs. Wow. Jeez. Oh man, we're getting rocked.
Ooh, ripping. Oh, what the hell was that? I don't know. Oh, it's that.